Hello EUSD families, having trouble with your student's device? Don't know what to do or who to call? No problem. Let me show you how to get help.
Please visit our school district website at www.eusd.org. Select our Tech Support tab and select GetHelp. And sign in. Please use your student's email address and password. Please select the device that you are having issues with. Select Technology Requests, and please choose the option that best describes or is closest to the issue you're experiencing. For this example, I will be creating a ticket for a Chromebook that has a damaged camera. This will fall under Hardware Problems. Select Student Technology. In the summary box, please provide a quick summary of the issue, using 2 to 3 words. Depending on the words you use in the summary box, helpful related articles will appear on the right-hand side. These articles provide steps as well as video you can use to solve the issue. In the description box, please provide as much detail as possible so that we can better assist you. You may also attach a file or image by selecting Browse. And click Next. On this page, the device that is assigned to your student will automatically populate. Select Next. And you're all set. Once you click Submit, your ticket will be complete.